If you want to access the AI assisted text editor and use it with any of your products, let me show you how. First, from the home page, you're going to head to the top right-hand menu. You're going to choose Downloads. Head over to your products. If you don't have a product yet, come up to Products. You can choose Just for You. These are curated pieces that are trained basically off of your interests. Maybe new PLR products, popular PLR products, or PLR bundles. You can download any of those and then come back in to your downloads. Now you can choose the AI assisted text editor on any of your products. Click on that. It's going to open it right up. And from here, you have several different options. You can either highlight and ask AI to help you create something new, maybe rewrite, maybe add some bullet points, maybe fix some spelling and grammar. You can also add in any of your other, maybe similar content. If you come over to the right here and you choose this middle icon, you have the opportunity to search for anything that is similar that you've previously downloaded. I'm going to search for reflection. And here we go. I have several different products I've previously downloaded. I could choose to insert one. I could choose to insert 2 or 3. I could also choose to pull in my own content. So if you've created maybe a workshop in the past, a presentation that you want to add into this, you can just simply copy and paste. And within the AI assisted text editor, you also have access to the AI marketing assistant. You can just choose use the AI marketing assistant. You have access to the image library. So the AI generator, if you've created anything or you want to generate something new, I could just drag and drop anything I've previously created or choose generate to start all over again. Lots of different AI tools you can access right here within the AI assisted text editor, as well as the MP3. So turn this into an audio format or a PDF where you can design a whole new look and feel for your product.